The Indian government revolutionized the indirect tax structure in the country with GST, a good and simple tax that propagates the vision of one nation, one tax, one market. To break free the taxpayers of pre-GST legacy tax litigations, the government has launched the Sabka Vishvas Legacy Dispute Resolution Scheme 2019. It will help settle all pending litigations and disputes of legacy, service tax and central excise. It will free up the taxpayers to focus on their business and avail the benefits available under GST. Honorable Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman announced this scheme during her budget speech.
An area that concerns me is that we have huge pending litigations from pre-GST regime. There is a need to unload this baggage and allow businesses to move on. I therefore propose a legacy dispute resolution scheme that will allow quick closure of these litigations. I would urge the trade and business to avail this opportunity and be free from legacy litigations.
Sabka Vishwas scheme is a golden opportunity offered to taxpayers for liquidation of all pending disputes of service tax, central excise and 26 allied indirect tax acts and cesses. On payment of nominal amount, taxpayers can settle their legacy tax cases finally. The Sabka Vishwas scheme provides settlement of cases pending in litigation, appeal, inquiry, investigation and audit by paying only 30% of the tax dues if the disputed amount is Rs 50 lakhs or less, and only 50% of the amount if the disputed amount is more than Rs 50 lakhs. The taxpayer can avail the relief of up to 70%. For settlement of outstanding tax arrears, only pay 40% of the amount if the total tax due is Rs 50 lakhs or less, and pay only 60% of the amount if the total tax due is more than Rs 50 lakhs. The taxpayer can avail the relief of up to 60%. Show cause notices for late fee or penalty can be settled only by making a simple declaration. On voluntarily disclosure of past dues, the taxpayer is only required to pay the due amount. Total waiver of interest, penalty and immunity from prosecution. Adjustment of any deposits of duty already made against dues to be paid under the scheme. The Sabka Vishwas scheme provides relief from legal taxation hassles. A fully automated scheme. Electronic payment of taxes. A prime example of faceless assessment. Ensures time-bound decision with maximum 60 days of application. The scheme can be availed from 1st September 2019 till 31st December 2019. For details, visit www.cbic-gst.gov.in. Avail this beneficial opportunity offered by Sabka Vishwas Legacy Dispute Resolution Scheme 2019 and make a new beginning.